Hello, Freedom Middle School parents. My name is Sarah Dornan, and I'm the school librarian and webmaster at FMS. This is a quick video on how to connect for your child's parent-teacher conference. So you will get an email from me, Sarah Dornan, when your conference is scheduled. And it will look just like it does on the screen. It'll have directions, it'll have your student's email address, and it will also have how to join by the computer with the help video and how to join by phone. So if you get stuck using the computer, you can always join by phone. It'll also have your conference time. We highly recommend that you use your student's device to join the conference. They're already signed into it. It's very easy. You don't have to make any changes. And you could do that by having your device, whether a phone, a tablet, a computer, next to your student's device so that you have your email up, whatever is the most convenient way for you. So when you are in your browser, if you're on your computer, you can see that I'm signed in as me up in my little icon up top. So I'm going to need to change that, and I'm going to need to sign in as my daughter, who is an SCPS student. So I've already added her. I hit add and put it in there. I can log out of Google, but I'm finding adding is much easier. So I went ahead and added her account already. I had to look up her student password. It's SCPS and their 5-digit student PIN. Your child should be able to tell you this information easily, or you can access it in other locations. So I signed in as Sophie. So here we are. So I've now signed in as my student. You can see that it's now a red dot in the upper corner for Google. That's how you know you're signed in as a student. And I am at the Freedom Middle School dashboard. So this is right where I need to be. Then I need to go back to my email, and I need to grab this link, this Google Meet link. And this is where we're going to connect with the teachers. So I can type it in, but I can't just click on it because this is my profile. So I recommend typing it in onto your student's account, or if you're toggling between windows, pasting. Again, we really recommend you use your student's device and just have the email open beside you for ease. Then you'll see it pops up. Here I am in real life, and then I would just join. It's that simple. The one thing to check is that you are in as that SCPS student up in the upper right-hand side. If you're not, if you're logged into your adult account, it won't work. So that is a trick. You can also join by phone, which we talked about briefly. So if you're just not comfortable going through the steps and you want to do it quickly, there's the phone number that's in your email, and you will see there will be a PIN here that you have to type in on the keypad. So it's that simple. You will just join through audio, which is fine as well. The key is that you're able to connect with your teachers. If you have a hard time, if you want to test it beforehand, you can reply back to me and we can set up a time for you to practice if you're nervous. Thank you so much, and I hope this helps.